Are you looking to shed stubborn belly fat and regain your confidence, all without the need for strenuous exercise? We will explore how you can achieve a slimmer, healthier body through a week-long smoothie program without exercise. Day 1. Kickstart your metabolism. To initiate your journey to a slimmer you, start with a nutrient-rich smoothie that includes ingredients like spinach, kale, Greek yogurt, and a touch of honey for natural sweetness. These ingredients are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that will boost your metabolism and help you feel full throughout the day. Day 2. Control cravings. It's crucial to manage cravings and maintain a balanced blood sugar level. Opt for a smoothie filled with fiber-rich fruits such as berries and apples, along with a sprinkle of cinnamon to regulate blood sugar. This will help you stay away from unhealthy snacks and keep your energy levels stable. Day 3. Detoxify your body. Detoxification is essential for shedding excess weight. Try a detox smoothie on the 3rd day with ingredients like cucumber, lemon, ginger, and mint. This combination helps flush out toxins, reduce bloating, and promote fat loss. Day 4. Satisfy your sweet tooth. Day 4's smoothie includes cocoa powder, banana, and a hint of almond butter. This guilt-free treat can curb your sweet tooth while providing essential nutrients and healthy fats that keep you feeling full and satisfied. Day 5. Boost energy levels. For sustained energy and focus, prepare a smoothie using ingredients like spinach, avocado, and coconut water. The healthy fats in avocados provide long-lasting energy, and the spinach offers a dose of iron to keep you energized throughout the day. Day 6. Protein-packed smoothie. Increase your protein intake with a smoothie that includes Greek yogurt, almond milk, and chia seeds. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, and it can help you feel full for longer, reducing your overall caloric intake. Day 7. Final push. As you approach the end of your 7-day smoothie program, it's time to incorporate ingredients that further boost metabolism and fat loss. Consider adding green tea, a known metabolism booster, to your smoothie. Green tea, combined with spinach and a small amount of honey, will give you a delicious metabolism-revving blend to conclude your week. Tips for success. Stay hydrated. Alongside your smoothies, drink plenty of water to help your body flush out toxins and stay properly hydrated. Portion control. Even with smoothies, portion control is essential. Avoid overindulging, as excess calories can hinder your progress. Quality ingredients. Use fresh, whole ingredients for your smoothies to ensure you receive the maximum benefits of nutrients. Are you ready to start your weight loss journey and make positive changes to your health? Don't wait any longer. The path to a healthier, slimmer you starts now. Check the Smoothie Diet website page and take the first step towards achieving your goals. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.